Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will teach you how to enter a welding file as a beginner. Step 01, you have to make sure your security welding helmet should done when welding.
Wearing shoes must also be done. The welding file is not a big subject to learn alone. The welding file has for sections MIG, TIG, FCAW, arc. What's the TIG welding? TIG welding uses electricity to create an arc, a short circuit between a non-consumable tungsten electrode, a positive anode, and the metal being welded, a negative cathode. The arc is shielded by a flow of inert gas, typically argon. TIG, also known as gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW, a process of joining pieces of metal together through a welding current. What's the MIG welding? A process in which an electric arc forms between an electrode and a metal workpiece, heating the metals and causing them to melt and be joined. Okay, so today I will stop the video. See you in a video again. Thank you.